Make a simple 3D battle game in Python using the Ursina engine inspired by tabs. You control a soldier in third person, fighting alongside allies against enemies on an open field with trees and rocks. It features AI opponents, shooting, health, ammo, and a clear goal: survive and win. Now let's put it into VS Code. Here we will fix one mistake. And let's test it. And it doesn't work. It works now. It doesn't look like I expected, but it's still amazing how long it takes to make this. Now let's try to beat my game. Now the question is, how long would it take to make it a proper game? My opinion is, turning this little demo into a full polished game can take months or even years. You'd need better models, animations, sound effects, balanced gameplay, and a lot of bug fixing. AI can help speed up some parts, like generating code snippets, creating textures, or giving design ideas. But it's not a magic button that makes a perfect game for you. It still takes human creativity, testing, and problem-solving to make something truly fun and unique. So, AI is a powerful tool, but it works best as an assistant, not as a replacement for a game developer.